Sammy Gyamfi, Sammy, you've messed up big time. And Sammy, you know it, I know it, the NDC know it, the MPP know it, and Ghanaians, we all know it that Sammy, you goofed. Sammy, with the greatest of respect to you, the honorable thing to do, Sammy, say Udo Omampangini Mahama, not Udo, in a goodwill and in a good intention concerning the second coming for Ghana, Sammy, with the greatest of respect, please, honorably resign. Sammy, Ubi Biara Obe try to be defended. This your so-called kind gesture article. That person is an enemy of the state. So any partner who defend on or drop NDC as a party, it's in the country called Ghana. Sammy, Ubi Biara at this critical time, Obe try say Obe defended one. Nipa no a defend because of Onankasa stomach. And as a personal and as a selfish interest. Nipa no intention ti a defend one enye because se opese Ghana etumpon. Sammy, it is cray across the whole Ghana. Say ope nipa we number 1. Our Sunday John Mahama ba power Sammy Gyamfi ewa. This is uncontestable. Obi and obi timo a contested this claim. Say you say you put in the rank. Nipa ne input ne actions. What you say? Nipa ne work. Edi NDC eba power. Sammy we number 1. What you say pa? Inti say don any son je osu eyetakrache. Sammy, you could be the only person I will be to save the face of Mahama government. Sammy, hey, it has 2 angles. The positive angle, no, you say ultimo resigning honorably. You are giving integrity to Mahama's government. You are using yourself as a scapegoat, as a sacrificial lamb, to prove to anybody in the NDC say, Wumpa we the poster boy no say wo action we etimu unnecessary resignation. Then how dare any other person in the NDC or bet try say or then sabeka ye gana fusika Sammy? And this I'm not saying say we are corrupt. I'm not saying say sika dem agrada no e gana sika. It could be your personal fans. Some way a lawyer, why you might even back in opposition, you were still living a good life. You are more than capable of giving that money to Agrada. But say, opposition are the men we Agrada. If you can issue, we individual at a semi private citizen, and a disco we Agrada. If you can issue, but the inter issue near Sasame Mahama Bayano, while reward will Juma we ye thinking about power by putting you ahead, and also by making you in charge of the precious minerals. What you say, pa? Say, waiting. Are you more Juma about a good ball? Sammy, just say the kind of responsibility Mahama I repose in you, no, Sammy. The only honorable thing a bit my say, just save the face of Mahama's government. Bring integrity back to Mahama's government. Hey, so what you resign, Sammy? A Bema Ghana for NDC, to say NDC a party papa. Omu jana oma Ghana mpuntuo omu pre Ghana yeyo omu pre omu selfish interest na omu pre omu party interest so ultimo resign e ba Ghana fo nyina hu say yes NDC abaso omu be serve Ghana na omu tolerate corruption na omu zero tolerance with respect to corruption. Sammy, with the greatest of respect to you, okay, resignation no e bi be hu say e your downfall, but to some of us you be hu say e be mark the beginning of your greatness. After so with my resigning, na omampanyine to my set committee, no with my investigative issue, no na report it my basse. Sikana ya wankasa personal fans, no, Sammy. Maybe going forward, no, it could even put you on a pedestal. It would amaze all Ghanaians. What has your party, Sammy? Do the honorable thing by resigning. Recede and go back to the party communication. Sammy, please save the face of Mahama's government. The extent, the damage this video across to John Mahama's government, NDC as a party, and Ghana as a whole. Say a person fighting corruption or something. You have no idea. Please do the honorable thing by resigning. Yes, said your one casa will buy our better say a kind gesture. Now we are in a private. You never thought that somebody was going to record and just put it on the public. But whether you like it or not, it's on the public. Now, about the issue because we public servant. What you say, pa? And nothing about a topical issue. This time, do the honorable things. Do the honorable thing by resigning. Save the face of Mahama's government. Yes, we'll be in him, Sammy, who have good intention, who have good heart, who are smart, who are intelligent, who are communication genius, Sammy. But with the greatest of respect to you, so when the man resign and save the face of Mahama's government. So when the man resign, I'm a standard, I'm a Mahama government, because mind you, recently, and I'm a Mahama a code of conduct. Sammy, my situation any example of the code of conduct I'm Mahama. Or easy to all the appointees, you know. Sammy, bring honor to the Mahama's administration. Sammy, sacrifice yourself to cause discipline in the hearts of all Ghanaians. Sammy, sacrifice yourself to set the NDC as different, as apart from MPP. Say NDC will defend you, no more tolerate you, no more try say, play a defense. Nasa Mahama maintain Sammy, trust me, Ghana is dead. Nobody is going to trust Ghana again when it comes to fighting corruption. And with this that I'm saying, I'm not saying you are corrupt, but Sammy, do the honorable thing to save Mahama's government. Now the year Yakron will be in him agrada character and the personality of Ghana. Says he carry my NDC foot soldier and can who be doing. What will be a winya eye problem, like said your papa Ibrahim Hamad be yeah. So be an no will be an emergency health related issue here more and as I say even in the public who is the man anchor and like and cause that public outrage no and cause that public outline say you will be here more emergency or here surgery next can wanna be a war as a public servant could be ankasa but I grab that as a person a personality. I waiting this as no. And I mind you, will be a waba. So would the good board with him. Good board, the number one purpose. Yes, say, you bet him there, ye good no, ye minerals no, a back your currency no, my currency net my strong. It is I mean unuma pano. We are seeing the implications of it by the dollar CD rate no. Now what this urge made in anymore? Was even in the public space and also in the private space, no bet you be there. Ghana, your currency is CD. Oh, many penny cities now, $100. Sammy, you goof big time.